Hey guys, welcome back. I know I've been silent for a while, sorry for that, but today I am back with new tutorial. Do you want to make this trend on Capcut? Let's get it done. Before the video starts, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, get your clips. They must be slowed like my clips. After that, mark your beats, which will help us later on. Now click your clips and go to speed, then select curve, then custom, and apply the graph like I do. After that, copy the clip and reverse it and shorten it until it fit the beat. Then go back all the speed and make the graph the opposite of the original. Apply keyframes like I do and follow my graphs and steps carefully. For the next clip, apply the same process as we applied to the first clip. For the third clip, apply my graphs. And then copy it 4 times. Reverse the second and fourth clip. Add keyframes and apply graphs like I do. Now go to the second clip and effects to select the mirror effect. Make it short as possible and copy it 3 times and place them in even gap. Go to adjust and make saturation up to absolute negative. Then also shorten it as possible and copy it 3 times and apply a parallel to the mirror effect. For the third clip, go to adjust and make the adjustment, and then place the adjustment to the second and fourth clip. Go back to the first clips and select it to apply animation. Go to vibration section and select turbulence animation. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful.